trip. What I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna clean this surface right here, and then I'm going to just put it on. But this wire is not long enough, so I'm gonna have to cut it up and just extend it. I recently bought new wire, so that shouldn't be a big deal. I'm also gonna solder it. So I just finished. This project probably took me like 2 hours to do by myself. The up lights right there, that's literally it. Here's a closer look. So I had this one on already, but I had a second one laying around. So I finally decided to put this one on. So the wire runs right here. It's kind of parallel. Let me open this so you can see the back side of it. Alright, so that wire runs right here, goes down. It's zip tied everywhere neatly. I put it in this wire loom, the same wire loom that this one has. Just made it, kept going, zip tied it. And so this is an extension wire because the factory one from this isn't long enough, so I had to use like my own wire, which is why this is like red, green and stuff, but this is all black and red. So yeah, it goes down all the way here, and then I had to buy a trailer hitch wire splitter, whatever. So it goes into one, goes out two. Here it is right here. Like I said, I wired it, wire loom, and I just tuck it all in here. It's all nice and it fits neatly. But yeah, that's how it looks. It's a really simple thing to do, but it's just tedious because I did it the proper way, which is to solder the connections. So yeah, I had to solder the connections for the extension wires and all that. But yeah, I'll show you guys how that looks again. It's pretty cool. So I have basically a lot of lights, and I had this laying around, so I might as well put it up to good use. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, hit me up.